Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you clear cache in Netflix. To clear cache in Netflix, you need to follow these simple steps. So what you need to do is, first thing first, you want to exit out of your application. Now then, you want to log in or locate Netflix application, long press, or else what you could do is just go to the settings on your device. And when you go to settings, you want to locate apps. After you locate apps, you want to click on see all apps and locate Netflix. So when you locate Netflix, so then tap on it, and after which you simply want to go ahead and tap on storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data. So this is the way you could clear your storage. And likewise, after which you could also try updating the app to the latest version and restart your device at the same time, and that's going to help you out. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.